She's not gonna let me do this. Hey, you want it? Get it.
Just lethal with that thing.
I'm trying to feel some of it because, like, here it's nice,
Like,
and then here you just
Oh my
die. So we can compact some of this.
it's so soft.
Yeah, it's nice snow for skiing. She can't find it. Why did I not do that first? Okay, I don't really want your help right now. You see this? No. Hey,
Hey,
I
hey.
don't know when it's supposed to work like this.
That's not for you. That's not for you. This is our stick. No.
Yeah, that's right. I buried it. What you gonna do about it?
Don't
Don't
dig for
dig.
it.
Don't you dare. I'm not doing it again. Yeah, there's a lot of snow coming down. I don't. Well, it didn't say there was supposed to be that much, but I think it lied.
We're in a really diverse area of forest. There's so many different species here. Right behind us, we have western red cedar. Right to the side, we have Douglas fir. And behind us, we have western hemlock. But we've also seen subalpine fir, Engelmann spruce, larch. Like, there's so many different kinds of species right here. It's really cool, actually, to walk through the forest.
So it was -3 when we got here, and I think it warmed up a bit. But we only have -6 bags. No, you're not going in there yet. We put this right in we have minus 34 bags, and we forgot them in storage, like, and they're not anywhere near where we are. So we have our minus 6 bags with a giant down blanket. And the down blanket it's not meant for this. Like, it took up a whole bag. So yeah, usually we have a hot tent. But we also put that in storage and we don't have it with us. So we have our 3-season tent. And we've had this tent for like 10 years. It's duct taped and everything, and it will not die. So
It's a good tent.
yeah, it's a good tent.
Sometimes it's nice to switch things up, though.
It is, because like the hot tent takes a while to put up. This thing, it takes 10 minutes. As you've probably seen, there's a bunch of snowshoe hair tracks around here. I actually saw one when I was first coming down here, and I never got it with a camera. They're fairly big, and they don't, like, their big paws don't sink in the snow very much. He went over there and then hid under the tree, and I don't know where he is now.
No, this is a pot. There's nothing in here. I'm gonna make food. But I need you to leave it alone. Last night, I made pulled pork, so I figured we should make some pulled pork sandwiches. Not for you, I'm sorry. Oh.
We all saw that coming.
Put some coleslaw. Some coleslaw dressing. There you go.
Now the trick is try not to get a bunch of snow in the tent.
That's what I'm trying to get off my hat. It's dark.
Yeah, it's getting dark. It's only 5:40, which is actually a lot better than it was. It's getting dark way earlier, not that long ago.
Yeah. It's crazy that this is like nice compared to how it was.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll be probably pitch black at 6, and then I think it gets bright at, well, sunrise is 6:50, so we'll probably start getting bright at 6-ish. So there's a big, long wait in the tent for light. My least favorite thing about winter. We're in the tent now. It's only like, actually, what is it? It's not even 7 o'clock. It's totally pitch black. We're gonna watch movies for the next probably like 3 hours, and then go to bed, and then get up probably pretty early because I always wake up early when camping. But yeah, we got in here. We got into some well, not warmer clothes, but drier clothes. And yeah, it's actually pretty nice in here. It's around midnight, and it is just going crazy out here. It is really coming down hard out there. Like, that's the backpack. It's snowing a lot more than we thought it would.
Snowing quite a bit. The tent walls are starting to get pushed in from the snow.
What tree was that?
The one behind us.
That one that I thought was gonna...
No.
It's still snowing out here. Oh, a little bit. Not as much. Snowed a decent amount. There's the backpack. There's actually a broken branch over behind the tent there. Didn't even hear that snap. Morning, Maple. How are you? Hi. Whoa. Not really sure what her plan is. She's just laying in the snowbank. Unearth the backpack. This is why you always clean up camp before you go to bed. Make sure you don't leave stuff everywhere, because you'll never find it again. Oh, well, hi. I don't really want this.
She can't find it. Sunk in the snow. We've got some this one. And then our egg.
Oh, and there's some for Maple. Sit.
And there you have it. Our breakfast for this morning.
Are you getting all the scraps?
Cleanup duty.
Yeah, camp cleanup. That's her position. Jeez.
Dishwasher too.
Yeah, she's actually camp cleanup and she's camp dishwasher. I'm gonna jump in and see how far I can. Well, I know if I jump there, I probably will be totally engulfed because it's a tree well. Okay, I need like a run at it. Okay, hold on 1 second there. It's pretty deep. That did not work. Holy, wow, that just came out.
It's not heavy or nothing.
This was a snowmobile track that was fairly fresh that we followed in yesterday. Snowed quite a bit. Come on. Here we go. Come here, Maple.